is gonna be, I mean, if you were guessing what tax on $8 would be, what would be your guess?
50 cents.
10% tax would be 82 cents.
60 cents.
So 8%'s gotta be less than that. Or whatever it is. 8 times 9 is 72. 16 plus 7 is 23. 64 plus 2 is 66. 4 decimal places. And we don't have 60. Did I do that right? Yeah. We don't have the thousands place, so you stop with cents after this round. If that's higher, you drop it to 67 cents, but it isn't, so it's 66 cents tax. Grace.
I don't get how I got number 18.
Barrel 18. Wrote them up and down? Change the common denominators?
Yeah.
What's the common denominator?
I put 12.
You can use 12, not the lowest one that you have to reduce in the end. That makes this, how many 12s? 6, and this, how many 12s? 8 12s, right? 6 12s. Adding them together, you get how many 12s?
14.
Adding these together, you get 5, but you can't leave 14 12s as an answer. What do you have to do with those?
Divide.
Reduce and divide. Had you used 6 for your denominator there, you wouldn't have had to do some of this, but I'm going to cut them both in half first and get 7 over 6. 7 over 6 is what is a mixed number? 1 and 1/6. Add the 1 to the 5, it becomes 6 and 1/6. What did you get for an answer?
I got 6.
How did you get a 4?
I just divided the 14.
Oh yeah, if you do that, you get 1 time with 2 left over. And then 2 over 12 is 1/6, 1/4. Peter.
What was number 2?
Number 2 was 48 inches. Calvin?
So the problem with number 8, you just do like whatever the diameter is times 3.4.
If you're looking for circumference, if you're looking for how far a wheel would turn, that's circumference. Yeah, you just take right in there again, circumference equals pi, which is 3.14 times diameter. Again, notes I would write to myself. Odds are tomorrow's problem is going to be the same, so it'd just be like, all right, tomorrow I'm going to multiply, if this is a 20, I'm going to put 20 times 3.14. Alex.
For number 10, I don't understand how I got it wrong.
Maybe you did, maybe I read the answer wrong. I already did this one. What did you get?
I got 130.
And again, did you put, if you played 30 games, Alex, and you won 10 of them, how many did you lose?
Oh.
Yeah, that's what we talked about. It doesn't say wins the total game, it says wins 2 losses. You're comparing wins to how many you lost. Again, note to self, on tomorrow's, make sure you compare those to those. Lutz?
For like our notes that we can see, we can write to me, you would use it when the test is out.
Yep. When you get the test, you can look at your notes to do the problem.
Don't use this sheet to put answer. Just use this.
How do you know what the answers are?
Yeah. For the answers to this one, I mean.
Well, it still wouldn't help you.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, the answers aren't going to be the same, so. DJ.
Oh, I don't get how I got 1B.
1B. So you got number 1A, right? The sample space of the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's your sample space. That's the when you roll a cube, that's the different sides that come up. Now this is what I write a note to myself. What's the probability the number will be greater than 4? And you have to ask yourself, what numbers are greater than 4? Is 4 greater than 4? No. So only 5 and 6 are the only 2 out of the 6 that are greater than 4.
Oh, I put a percentage.
Well, probability is always fractions. You did chance. Maybe. Chances, percentages, fractions are probabilities. Note to self. Problem 1B, make it a fraction. I don't know, you can't, doesn't get any easier than that, does it, Smith? Yes, Allison.
Alyssa.
I'm doing that now, okay, so now I'll find. At least I didn't call you Alexa. Or Alexis.
Like yesterday.
Wait, now you've got me confused.
Alyssa.
Allison?
Alyssa.
Oh, your parents for naming all those A's. Does that happen to you? I mean, everywhere you go, like doesn't it drive your grandparents? All of your I don't either. Which one? Number 6. The answer to it?
Yeah.
0.71. Calvin.
The answer is 17.
Number 17. The answer to 17?
Yeah.
I'd be greater than. How do you do 17, Boots?
You change the root to impact the fraction?
No.
No.
Change the
Common denominator.
Denominator.
Gary,
I don't get how I got number 2 wrong.
did we already do number 2?
No.
Yeah, I think we did.
No, we didn't.
What is the perimeter of a regular hexagon if each side is 8 inches long? What does the word regular mean? First you gotta know 2 things. You need to know what a hexagon is, 6 sides, and you need to know what the word regular is, which means all sides are equal. So every side of this 6-sided shape is 8 inches. What's the perimeter? Either 6 times or 8 or add it all together here. Did you get that right, Alyssa?
Yes.
I don't get that then.
Okay.
Alyssa, what would you like?
What if it said, what is the perimeter of an
Irregular one?
Yeah.
It wouldn't ask you that. You have to know that for each side to be 8 inches.
Okay.
They'll ask you regular, and it'll always be the same there.
Okay.
Always be the same. Evan,
For number 11, I don't understand how I got that. I think I know, but I'm not sure.
what did you do for problem number 11?
I did 5 minus 2 1/3, and I did it like way wrong.
Did you write it up and down?
Yeah,
Well, tell me what you think you should do.
I think I should have done 2 into 3, or
Or 2 and 3, tell me.
no.
Evan, if you can't, there's no fraction here to subtract from, so what do you do when there's nothing there? It's like normal subtraction, you have to,
Use the borrow.
so you have to take 1 away from 5, it becomes a 4. What fraction do you get here that's equal to 1 that has a 3 on the bottom? 3/3. Note to self. 1/3 minus 3/3, or 3/3 minus 1/3 is 2/3. 2 from 4 is 2.
Okay.
Again, note to self, that would be one that I would jot down there. Calvin,
What was the answer to number 26?
26? Let's not get foolish here, because that could get you an assignment. Peter,
Oh, what was number 14?
14 was 123.4. Alyssa.
Now, for number 8, you just do 3.4.
Yes, we did it twice.
Yeah. I was just making
No,
sure.
never mind.
You just take 3.14 times whatever.
Yeah, okay, I'm just making sure I did that.
But it says to round your answer, you will not have a decimal in your answer because it wants you to round it to the nearest inch. So you can't have a decimal in your answer, you have to say whether it's at the next one or this one. Grace.
What was number 9?
Number 9 is D. Ryan, what do you have? That's what I have too. Nicholas.
Yeah, I don't get 17.
No, you don't have to ask me what's there. You checking the book?
Well,
There's
yeah,
a little number there that says what section it comes from.
right, but I just don't get because you said it didn't. keep the thing that's in front of it. So I subtracted, but it said like add or
Yeah,
something.
catch me as soon as we're done. We're almost done. Peter,
What was number 16?
what do you have?
11 over 20.
That's what I got. DJ,
Oh, I don't get what I got.
don't look at it as getting 15 wrong. Look who's getting 5 right. Didn't make any sense yesterday, either, did it?
Yeah, it did.
I think it made sense.
What did you, so what did you do here? Walk me through your thing. DJ.
I added one to Pretest, but I have one common denominator.
Which is,
15. No, it's not.
so on top of this one, you get,
5 cents. And that one is 6 cents. I think.
no, 3 times 3
Oh,
is
9
9.
cents.
Is that what you did wrong?
Yes.
5 plus 9 then is 14. And you get 14 over 5. 5 goes into 14 twice with 4 left
Oh, I got
over.
one.
You said 1
times 3. It should be 5 times 2.
Oh, did you say 15 to begin with? Maybe that's right. It should be 6, sorry. And it is 11 tenths. And it is 1 tenth to the answer.
Oh, you stick it over.
Good job, DJ.
Michael,
What was number 16?
what do you have?
11 20.
Why are you asking me if you get it right? Did I do it wrong?
I
Did you mark it wrong?
know, so I was just
I'm just asking. You seem to have a lot of people asking a lot. Insignificance.
I was making sure.
What I've got is, I'm gonna give you, I do have